friends. Today we have to discuss the Poisson probability distribution. The Poisson probability distribution is a discrete probability distribution. A distribution is called discrete if its random variable assigns countable or finite number. If x follows Poisson distribution, then x equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. The Poisson distribution is used to find out the probability of occurrence in an interval. The Poisson probability distribution is calculated as P of x equal to e raised to minus lambda into lambda raised to x divided by x factorial for x equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. Here, e raised to e is approximately equal to 2.718281828 and lambda is the average rate and the parameter of the Poisson distribution. X is the number of occurrences of an event over some interval. Now, we have to discuss the conditions of Poisson distribution. First condition is the occurrence of event must be random. Second condition is the occurrence of event must be independent. That is, the occurrence of one event is not related to another. The third condition is the average rate of occurrence, that is lambda, remains constant. That is, the probability of event occurring is same for each interval. Fourth condition is there is zero probability of simultaneous occurrence. That is, two events never occur at exactly the same time. Now, we have to discuss some examples for Poisson distribution. The number of accidents per week in a given state. Here, the number of occurrence is the number of accidents per week and the interval is the week. Second example is the number of customers reaching a bank counter in 20 minutes. Here, the number of occurrence is the number of customers reaching a bank counter and the interval is the 20 minutes time. Now, the mean of the Poisson distribution is mu equal to lambda. The variance of Poisson distribution is sigma square equal to lambda. The mean and variance of the Poisson distribution is same. The standard deviation of the Poisson distribution is sigma equal to square root of lambda. Now, we have to discuss a Poisson distribution problem. Here, the question is a random variable x follows a Poisson distribution with mean 1. Then calculate the probability that x equal to 0, x equal to 1 and x greater than or equal to 2. Here we know that the mean of Poisson distribution is mu equal to lambda. Here given that mean is 1. Therefore, the parameter of the Poisson distribution lambda is 1. Then the Poisson probability formula is e raised to minus lambda into lambda raised to 1. We know that the Poisson probability formula is e raised to minus lambda into lambda raised to x divided by x factorial. Here given that lambda is 1, that is e raised to minus 1 into 1 raised to x divided by x factorial. Now we have to calculate p of x equal to 0 equal to e raised to minus 1 into 1 raised to 0 divided by 0 factorial equal to e raised to minus 1 is calculated as 0.367879441 into 1 raised to 0 is 1 divided by 0 factorial is also 1 equal to 0.367879441. It is approximately equal to 0.3679. Now we have to calculate p of x equal to 1 equal to e raised to minus 1 into 1 raised to 1 divided by 1 factorial equal to e raised to minus 1 is 0.367879441 into 1 raised to 1 is 1 and also 1 factorial is 1 equal to 0.367879441. It is approximately equal to 0.3679. Now we have to calculate p of x greater than or equal to 2. P of x greater than or equal to 2 equal to p of x equal to 2 plus p of x equal to 3 plus etc. etc. Here in this problem we have x have no n value. So we subtract p of x equal to 0 plus p of x equal to 1 from 1 because we know that the sum of the probability P of x equal to 0 plus P of x equal to 1 plus P of x equal to 2 plus etc. plus P of x equal to n equal to 1. Here we have to find out P of x greater than or equal to 2. That is from P of x equal to 2 to P of x equal to n. To find out P of x greater than or equal to 2, we have to subtract P of x equal to 0 plus P of x equal to 1 from 1. That is P of x greater than or equal to 2 equal to 1 minus P of x equal to 0 plus P of x equal to 1 equal to 1 minus, from the above problem, P of x equal to 0 is approximately equal to 0.3679 and P of x equal to 1 is approximately equal to 0.3679. Therefore, 1 minus 0.7358 equal to 0.2642. Thank you.